this is a pistachio baking hack where I'll be using cake mix, which I don't like to use, instead of the regular flour, and doing this from scratch. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end. Welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Welcome to the gang. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. Today I will be baking some pistachio muffins. But before I do that, I wanted to take this opportunity to thank my new subscribers, and those that are watching on the sidelines, not yet subscribed to my cooking channel. I want to express a big thank you for allowing me the opportunity to reach 2,000 milestone. Help me get to 5,000 and more. So I just wanted to point out quickly that on my community page, I posted a little thank you on my community page, and also a little section for just a little giveaway, nothing too big. And I put the eligibility, the requirements, and what persons are required to do on my community page. So please make sure that you're following my community page. All the entrants for this have to reside in Jamaica. However, based on the requirements, it's simple. Help me get some subscribers, share at some subscribers to share at least 5 of my YouTube videos with as much persons as you can, and these persons will have to subscribe and leave your name that they were referred by such and such a person. So it's like really easy. You have to also follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Prizes and surprises will be for 4 persons, which the first 4 persons to gain the most subscribers for me, for my channel, that are organic subscribers who will subscribe, watch my videos, comment, share my videos. I will choose 4 persons, and these persons have to reside in Jamaica. However, sharing my videos, you can share my videos with anyone all over the world. It doesn't have to be in Jamaica. However, the participants who will be sharing the videos have to reside in Jamaica. So much about me, and I showed my face today. One thing with these videos, you will barely see me, because when doing the videos, I'm normally not clad properly for my videos. However, I think I'm gonna do a Facebook Live tonight, so I'm like, why not just get myself ready and show my face? So thank you again all for the support. Continue to share my videos. Please make sure once you watch the videos, you're liking the videos, because persons are watching them but not liking them. See, I'm gone almost 3 minutes and 32 seconds. I'm gonna start my video, so stay tuned. And again, welcome to Shells Island Flavor Cooking. This is the face behind all that cooking. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'll be making some quick pistachio muffins, and the hack to this is I use a Pillsbury white cake mix instead of using the regular flour, because I felt lazy and I needed to bake for my channel. So I'll be doing some pistachio muffins, and I use the white cake mix, the pudding mix pistachio. I chopped some pistachio. I'll be using I use a 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 3 eggs, and I will add the ingredients. On the next slide, you will see the ingredients. So I mixed together the cake mix and the pistachio. See, I added the ingredients. I added a little almond essence to give it a little flavor because the cake mix has like a cake mix taste. This was just me being lazy. I really wanted to use the regular flour, sugar, butter, but I opted to hot this with the cake mix. I added all the wet ingredients and I mixed in. So I added 1 cup water, the vegetable oil, the eggs, and I mixed this thoroughly because the cake mix tells you 2 minutes. But listen, you have to mix this for a good while in order to get the volume, because if you mix it for 2 minutes, the muffins or your cupcakes, they will not swell, they will not get large. So here I'm done mixing and I added them in my muffin tin and I baked them 15 to 20 minutes. Here are the finished pistachio muffins. They came out good, but next time I would definitely prefer doing this from scratch to really get the experience. I have started to love baking, and I know I spoke a lot in the beginning of this video. So I just had some whipped cream. I just sprinkled on the top of them. I do hope you enjoy this little video, and this is a quick hack you can do for your kids. It's fun to do with the cake mix. They were soft, they came out good, and I did get the volume that I wanted. So welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. See you in the next one.